Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside compressor with automatic hose reel, the model PKS 1100A1. Convenient and space saving with a 1100 watts compressor and automatic hose reel in wall mountable casing. Suction capacity 160 liter per minute, max working pressure 8 bar, rotation speed 3000 RPM. With accessories and a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. With a cable length 3 meters, very convenient. We have some accessories. We have the holder for the tool, and this one, it is the holder for the compressor. Screws. 4 screws for mounting at the wall, and these plastic spacers, 4. We have the air blow gun, typical, very basic model, with the nozzle, the red trigger and the connection. And here it is the connection. Press and it connects. That is a very good connection. Just pull this lever to unplug. And of course you can connect other power tools that are working with air compressor. Many of them, I have made a video, you can check down below in the description or after the end of this video. Very thick air compressor hose, good quality. Here it is the stop, you can pull. So how it works, pull, stop and it stops. Very easy. Here at the front we have the on-off switch. The release button if you mount it at the wall and you want to release that. So how it goes, it locks here. And then if you want to unlock, just press and release. So easy. And to connect these two plastics, it goes here at the back. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screw holes. Use the screws, mount it at the wall, and this area you can use it for storage. So let's switch it on and see the sound. The whole unit, it weighs 7.8 kilogram. We have 10 meters inside of air compressed hose. It is a very long air compressed hose. Definitely very convenient to maneuver around at your workspace, workshop, wherever you want to install this air compressor. and is making that noise every time I will switch it off. We are in a closed area. The sound is very acceptable, not so noisy. The operating mode is S3. This means that during a period of 10 minutes, the maximum operating time is 30%, 3 minutes. It's not designed for continuous operation. During the rest of the period, the appliance cools down again for 7 minutes. I will connect this inflator gun with gauge and use it to inflate my car tire. The air compressor doesn't have any gauge to check the pressure. And that's a wrap on the Parkside PKS 1100, a solid compressed air system with the convenience of an automatic hose reel. Whether you are using it for inflating, cleaning or powering air tools, this machine is a great addition to any workshop. If you are someone who values convenience, reliability and versatility, the Parkside compressor is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for do-it-yourselfers, car owners, and anyone who needs a reliable air compressor for a variety of tasks. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and hands-on demos. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your tools running and your projects going strong. See you in the next one.